Currently, most of the world's population have access to the internet, and this technological advance also came the mass use of platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok,
among others.
Day by day, we are more exposed to suffering theft of information, specifically of financial type or confidential data. And social networks are the perfect scenario for hackers to commit their crimes. The main hazards in networks are bright identify, spam, harassment, malicious codes, digital scams, cybersecurity in social networks. This is a determinate tool to prevent a hacker to access our network profile and ban him to manage or kidnap the account with our content. Divulgation of personal information. People tend to expose their information excessively while completing their profiles on social networks. Specialists claim that revealing too much personal information creates a safety crack, so the less information we put, the better. Do not accept unknown contacts. This practice increases the possibilities of receiving spam with fraudulent sites. Selectable privacy. You have to make sure that the content in this application is visible only for friends and family. Do not give confidential information, as account numbers, passwords, telephones, or addresses, since if a computer pirate manages to have access to this information, it may end in an unfavorable outcome. Careful with geotag. Cyber thievers can use this tool to deduct information such as economic status, lifestyle, frequent places, and daily routine. Beware with the links. In social networks, we must be careful with the links that arrive. Many times, it can be a malware. Keep browser and antivirus updated. This will allow you to be protected from false attacks in the internet browser.